Hi guys! We're back. Today we're going to Ikea because it's a new day. We're going to Ikea. We're going to Ikea today because yesterday we didn't have time because we had to go to the dog park and because it was raining. So we're just gonna go to Ikea today and buy some plates.
It's a sunny day.
And it's a sunny day, guys. Just look at
Remember, yesterday it's raining.
Yeah, yesterday was a rainy day. Second time I told you. Okay. Now, if you remember... Okay, so how many times did I tie my shoelaces yesterday? If you said 2, if you thought it
We're gonna go to
2,
laundromat first.
Yeah.
To the
laundromat first. And if you guys guessed 2 times, then you are correct. Good job. Now you get another cross-eyed chin. Just watch my finger if you're the winner. Even if you're the loser, you can still watch. There's no prize. Okay, if you crossed your eye, well done.
See that dog? There's a dog at the back.
Look at the dog, guys. Guys,
Look
you
at the
can't...
hair.
No, it's the ears. Guys, can you see that dog in the front of the car? Oh, the dog is so cute, guys. Guys, no, the dog disappeared. Oh, okay. That was cool. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Cool, cool, cool. Cool, cool. Now I'm just gonna show you the road. Oh, we're going to the laundromat first.
Yes.
Yes. Where else are we going? Laundromat and Ikea?
Yes.
Okay.
What are we gonna buy in Ikea?
We're gonna buy plates.
Yes.
And we're gonna eat lunch
Yes.
there. I always have meatballs at Ikea.
Okay.
I always have it because I like it. And the reason my tongue is red because I drank so much of that red drink. And even my lips are red.
Oh yeah, it's very red. Your teeth is red as well.
No, they're not.
Like a Halloween, you.
Oh, and my birthday's on Halloween. I was born on Halloween.
Yeah,
Huh.
it's born
It
Halloween.
makes sense then.
It does make sense because you're just a vampire. It does make sense. Oh no, I was saying laundromat first.
Yeah, laundromat first. Oh,
So
you know what? We're just gonna go shopping first for school stuff.
No
'Cause-
laundromat because I don't want to wait in the laundromat. When you put the laundry in the machine, it takes 20 minutes.
Oh. Okay, I guess. And by the
Yeah.
way, we're also gonna go shopping after the laundromat for some, because we're gonna buy stuff for my school. Because tomorrow I'm going back to school.
And then, so when you put the laundry in the laundromat, we're gonna go shopping for 20 minutes. The things you need in the school.
So that means, guys, comment down below what 20 plus 20 is, because she said 20 minutes in the laundromat, 20 minutes shopping. So if you guessed the answer 40, you are correct. Okay? Because 20
Okay.
plus 20 is 40. So if you got,
that's the
you got that
laundromat
correct.
down there.
Yeah, can you see, guys? Just find a place that says laundromat, but you guys probably won't see it because you guys are far away from it. But yeah. Just look at Town Square. Awesome Town Square.
Tomorrow is a school day.
Yep. I'm just gonna show the driver now. Say hi.
Hi, everybody.
Okay.
I'm just driving, so I can't see the camera.
True.
I can't have a look in the camera, but I can say hi, everybody.
You are looking at the camera.
Because it's a red light.
Red light, green light, blue light. Why does it? Red light.
How's
green light,
everyone?
yellow light.
Kamusta po?
You guys great? Do you want me to teach you one word I know? No, I don't know one word.
Say, kamusta po?
I'll tell you guys one word from, a couple words from Serbia on the way. Kucha, kuchi? No, wait. Anyways, na means not, na means no, and laje means barking, and kuche means dog.
Yeah.
And dobro jutro means good morning, and nakonot means good night. So, you know, I just told you some words that I know. Those are actually the only words I know. I think. I think I know more, but those are the ones I remember. Guys, can you see the laundromat? Guys, look, laundry. But yeah, that's the laundromat. Okay, guys, we're gonna get in the laundromat now. Do we have the laundromat?
Yeah, at the back.
Okay. Guys, let's go. Guys, there's a little sausage dog. There's a sausage dog.
Look at that.
Guys, that's the laundromat. We have a cute dog.
Oh, thanks.
Small one.
We're just going. No, it can't fit in there.
Oh, it's not fit in there?
Yeah, I know, because that's...
Get ready.
Yeah, let's go. Okay. I think... Wait, read it. Free?
Yeah,
Free.
free detergent. Do not add.
Okay.
Okay.
Guys, we just... That's the big mat. This is our laundry basket.
Alright. Sorry. Yeah, it's not.
Guys, this is where people go if their laundry doesn't fit
Well, it's
in
not
their
broken.
laundry machine.
Is it
Or
broken?
if they don't have a laundry machine. Just
I think
gonna
it's
wait.
not gonna. You go this way.
Okay.
I think this one's broken.
Guys, just look at the inside. You can do that. Okay. Just a minute. We'll see you guys in a while. Okay, guys, it is 11 minutes until we get there. Now it's 10 because it's actually just been past a minute. And, you know, we're gonna have lunch first because Mom and I are hungry, and we're also gonna buy some plates and give you guys a tour. But that's gonna be in 10 minutes because it's
Yes,
10
10
minutes.
minutes.
And she's still driving.
Yeah, I'm still driving.
She's still driving. We were singing some songs, but we don't want to copyright, so. But we can't do it back singing, but I can do it on one song. Havana, unana. Hey, you took me back to Easter, na 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 na. Hey, and now my heart is in Havana, Havana, unana. Here's another song for you guys. Lots of people in my class just love this song.
What song?
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm tired. Ooh, the way that things have been now. Ooh. Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think that I could be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sail. Ooh, the master of my sail. Ooh, I was broken from a young age and I've spoken from the masses and it's spelling on the meaning and the meaning of jump. But it never rained it. rain down like pain. You make me up, believer. Pain, you let the bullets fly, let them rain. My love, my heart, my drum came from pain. You break me down, you build me up, believer.
Oh, that's enough now. Turn it down because you gotta get low, but this took a long song.
Guys, look at Ikea. Guys, can you see Ikea? Can you see the blue building that says IKEA? Look, Ikea, guys. We made it. But it's just 2 minutes until we actually find a parking spot. Guys, look. The yellow building is where you can eat lunch. Guys. God, oh my God, we finally made it. Guys, look at the... Yeah, we are, but guys, look at the Australian flag. She's not slow when she runs.
The entrance is there.
Guys, you can see exit, so just follow that. But exit is the way out, right? I forgot, right? I don't know, guys. Just keep on walking. I'm walking, keep on walking. Okay, guys, I'm not gonna look at you, but you guys can look at us. Or at me.
Okay. My entrance is there, Bob. Sorry. Now there's the entrance. So we parked far away. We parked out over there. Okay.
Yay. Guys, you can't even see her because I'm smaller. You know what, guys? For today, you're mostly gonna see my face. I'll show you guys more around. Oh, come on, man. Come on. There's the entrance. Ow. I don't... Okay, stop. Guys, you can see. Let's go in the lift. No, let's go in the escalator. Yeah. I'll do it here. Guys, that's the time.
Guys, ayan, naka-order na kami ng lunch namin. Si Tuti. What did you get, Tuti?
I think this is, no, that's Sweden meatballs.
Yeah, I get
Is this Sweden meatballs or not?
Kids meatballs.
These are kids
that's
meatballs
Tuki's
and some
favorite.
mashed potato and some gravy and some sauce and some green beans.
Medyo okay. Maganda
And I
yung
have
area nila.
Sprite.
Look yung restaurant area nila. Maganda siya. Christmas na here, Bob. Look, Christmas. The Christmas decoration.
Guys, isn't it weird that it's closer to Halloween, but they have Christmas
Nakain na tayo, guys.
Hi, guys.
You
Cheers.
like the green fish, right?
Cheers.
So, kain na tayo.
My God. Anger.
Kain tayo.
What does that mean?
Means that's it.
What do you mean by that?
Means that's it.
Let's see.
Very hungry, you're hungry.
I want more meatballs. Yeah, meatballs. That's enough meatballs. No, that's enough meatballs.
How many meatballs you gave you?
4.
So look at guys, ito yung mga style ng IKEA. Modern style na siya. And I like it. Look at
Guys,
this.
look.
Ganda.
I'm gonna drink some.
Ito bagay ito
Guys,
sa
look, I'm
maliliit
gonna
na
drink.
bahay. Maliliit na bahay. Bagay siya. It's beautiful, isn't it? It's for living area.
It's not that.
Si Tuti. Yan, punta naman tayo sa bed area. Ito naman tayo sa bedroom, guys. Tuti, what are you doing there? Oh my God. As you can see, so many beds.
Look at this.
Yan yung mga
Guys, look
style
at
nila.
this. Guys.
Sige, naglaro ka na dyan. Sobrang gaganda, guys. Hindi ko alam kung anong pipiliin ko. Oh, nice. Sorry, Bob. Can you grab this, buddy? CCTV TV, ayun area, guys. Oh my God, look at that. And cute. Huwag na, Tuti. Sige, higa na dyan. Tulog na.
What?
You go and sleep now.
I don't even like
Oh my God, look at that. I like the mirror.
We
It's
have
a
one like
window.
this already. But we have this,
Yeah, we have that.
but a different color.
But one thing I like is this one.
This
I like
could...
it to your bedroom. You like this to your bedroom?
Where?
The one. I like this too.
Oh, I know where I would like
Market
it.
hall like me. It's beautiful.
If you buy it, then you won't have to use the light in my bedroom.
Yeah, your bedroom. Okay.
Yeah, because I have a light. But if
Alright,
that
you're
goes
gonna
all
grab
the way
that.
across the top,
You
then
guys, ang dami
I
niyang
don't need
hiling.
a light.
So, yan pala yung outfit ko for today. Naka-short lang ako. White top and sneakers. Dami
Wow,
gustong bilhin ni
there is.
Tuti. Gusto niya bilhin lahat. So, tuloy natin ang paglilibot, guys. At nako'y nahihilo na. Sobrang dami. Hindi ko na alam pa anong bibilihin. But anyway, let's go now. Let's go, Bobby.
Okay.
This is Tuti's favorite section.
No, it's
Mga
not. I don't
toys.
even like toys.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. The snakes itching.
What
So, the kids section na
Look at
tayo,
the puppy
guys.
dog.
Nakita niyo, Lion King.
Mom,
It's a
look.
kids area. Minsan pwede yung
Mom, my favorite type of dinosaur is up there. That's my favorite type of
oh
dinosaur.
yeah, you like that?
Yeah, it's my favorite type of
Ay,
dinosaur.
gusto daw niya ng bedsheet, guys. Dinosaur bedsheet. Gusto
I
niya
got
lahat
a
eh.
doggy. It's a
See, gusto niya
dog.
lahat. Parang napapagastos ata tayo dito kay Tuti. You like this
Look.
one?
But look at this. The dog is gonna fart.
You like that bedsheet?
No,
No? Okay.
but I like the dinosaur.
Ay, salamat naman. You like the dinosaur bedsheet?
No, I like the type of dinosaur.
Okay. So that's it, guys. Kids section.
That's not it. There's lots more.
Lots more. Gusto pa niya maglakad-lakad ngayon. So yan, mga toys. Ay, Bob, yung dinosaur. Oh. Bob, look. Oh. I thought you collect dinosaur.
That's not my favorite type of dinosaur. This
Oh,
is.
so cute.
This is my second favorite. This is my first and second.
At gusto ko magpalit ng dining table. So, ito guys, maganda siya. Solid. Cost $1,299. 10 chairs. Ang ganda
Would you
niya.
like some
Very
salt and
modern.
pepper?
Gusto ko siya. So, dito kami ngayon sa kitchen area. So, makita yung mga dining, yung mga chairs. Yan, guys. Let's go to some other area naman. Come on, Tuti. Let's go to some other area. Yan, pa-check out na kami, guys.
Yep,
Dito
check
na kami
out.
sa storage area kung saan pwede mong kuhain yung mga items na binili mo. This is storage.
And
Yeah,
guys, you
and
can
the
even buy
checkout is
sausages.
there. Malapit na kami sa check-out. So, ito yung mga binili namin. Dapat to get to two. What do we
So,
get?
we got Lego, Sprite, food, and we got a big tub.
So,
We got
ayan.
some little plastic baggies. I don't know what they are.
We're ready to pay.
Yeah. You didn't
Medyo
even...
marami-rami binili ni Kitty. Ay, that's from the Christmas decoration, Bobby.
What? They?
Look at this guy. He's so cute. So cute, yeah.
God, that's not Rudolph, but if you paint the nose red, it can.
He's so
See
cute.
Rudolph?
And this one as well, guys. Christmas na dito, ha?
Can I see? I can't see it.
I don't know which one.
Look at the Christmas stockings.
Ang cute nito, oh.
Look at the stockings.
I know, the stocking.
But they're so small.
And the Christmas tree. Let's have a look at the Christmas tree, Bob.
But we already have. Look, wait, I want to say something. It's a
Yeah.
reindeer.
Yeah.
See, this is a reindeer. Two antennas
Oh, yes.
and a face.
So that's it.
Oh, this is a candle.
Christmas tree, Bobby, oh.
But we already have all Christmas decorations from last year. We just keep on using the same things over and over.
Exactly. So, yan lang yung mga pinamili namin, guys. Gumastos na kami ng malaman. Anyway, nag-enjoy naman sa... Are you enjoy it, Bob?
I need it. Yeah.
Yeah.
But I need
We're
it.
just gonna go in the car now.
That's going down.
So yun na nga guys, nakarating na kami sa kotse. Kakatapos lang namin ikutin yung buong Ikea, which is nakakapagod siya guys. Hindi pala biro mag-shopping sa Ikea. It takes an hour para makita mo lahat ng mga style nila at saka design, home style and design. Pero guys, sulit naman kasi nag-enjoy naman si Tuti at meron siyang mga nabili na gusto niya sa bedroom niya. At yun na nga. So guys, na-miss ko kayo ha. I'm just missing you a lot. Kaya naman gagawa ako ng video at i-upload ko at i-update ko kayo sa mga naganap. Lately guys, hindi ako nakapag-upload kasi sobrang sama ng weather dito. Here in Australia guys, sobrang maulan, which is most of the time nasa bahay lang talaga kami. After work sa bahay, which is sad kasi school holiday, hindi nakapag-ikot yung mga bata. But anyway, yun na nga, lahat ng mga video ko lately i-upload ko para mapanood nyo yung mga ganap. And hope you like this video guys. And please don't forget to
like, subscribe, hit the notification button down below.
see you for the next video. I miss you all.
Peace.
Bye.
Peace, people, peace, peace. Okay, guys, so this is the stuff we bought from Ikea. So we bought 2 of these Santas, and we also bought this fake cactuses, and we bought some Lego, and they have 2 people, and we even bought 6 of these thingies, but I don't know what these are. We bought some Sprite and food. And we even bought this little bucket for me and my pencils. I have lots of it. So those are the stuff we bought. So please like, subscribe, hit the notification button down below. Peace. Make sure you enjoy. Peace.